Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
شاگردان عزیز، درس گرامر امروز ما درباره افعال بودن هست. They show existence. افعال بودن موجودیت نشان میده. is used with he, she, it and singular noun. is که یکی از افعال بودن هست همراه ضمایر فاعلی he, she, it and singular noun یعنی اسم مفرد استفاده میشه. For example, he is a teacher at Melly. He is a teacher at Melly. She is a nurse at the hospital. Who is a nurse at the hospital? She. She is a nurse at the hospital. It is a goat. It is a goat. Ali is at home. Who is at home? Ali. Ali is at home. Or is used with we, you, they and plural nouns. Or که یکی دیگر از افعال بودن هست همراه ضمایر فاعلی we, you, they و نیز همراه اسامی جمع استفاده میشه. For example, we are doctors. We are doctors. You are students at Melly. You are students at Melly. They are engineers. They are engineers. Ali and Omar are brothers. Ali and Omar. There are two people. Ali and Omar are brothers. Am is used with I. Am که یکی دیگر از افعال to be یا بودن هست همراه ضمیر فاعلی I یعنی من استفاده میشه. For example, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am at home. Who is at home? I am at home. شاگردان عزیز باید داشته باشید که این جملاتی را که ما همین حالا خواندیم کلا مثبت بودن و حالا to be verbs negative استفاده ی افعال بودن در جملات منفی. If you want to change sentences containing to be verbs to negative, just add not after the same to be verbs. اگر میخوایم که جملاتی که دارای افعال to be یا بودن هستند را به منفی تبدیل کنیم پس فقط not یعنی لغت not را بعد از فعل to be verb استفاده میکنیم. For example, به طور مثال he is not. Where have we used not in this sentence? After the to be verb is. He is not a teacher at Melly. She is not a nurse at the hospital. See? Not is used after is. You are not students at Melly. You are not students at Melly. Not after are. They are not engineers. They are not engineers. And I am not a student. I am not a student. In all these examples, we saw that the verb not is used after the to be verbs. کل جملات که در اسکرین حالا میبینیم چی هستن؟ منفی. They are negative sentences. To be verbs question. خب و حالا استفاده افعال to be یا بودن در جملات سوالی. If you want to change sentences containing to be verbs to questions, just bring the same to be verbs at the beginning of the sentences and add question mark at the end. اگر میخوایم که جملاتی که دارای to be verb یا فعال بودن هست را به سوالیه تبدیل کنیم، پس همان to be verb یا فعال بودنی که در جمله استفاده شده را در ابتدای جمله میاریم و در آخر جمله یک علامت سوالیه بگذاریم. For example, is he a teacher at Melly? Is he a teacher at Melly? Starting with a to be verb and ending with a question mark. Is she a nurse at the hospital? What does this sentence start with? Starts with a to be verb. Or to be verb شروع شده. Ending with a question mark. Are we students at Melly? Are we students at Melly? Are they engineers? Am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? See, in all these examples, the sentence starts with a to be verb and ends with a question mark. And dear students, the answers that you see right there on the bottom corner are the possible answers to these questions. This ends our grammar lesson for today. شاگردان عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you very much and good luck.